Hey everybody, welcome back to the Bill Heenan Team YouTube channel. My name is Bill and I'm the team leader of the Bill Heenan team here in the great state of Connecticut. And today I want to talk a little bit about a seller's exposure or lack of exposure to capital gains when they sell their primary residence. And throughout the year, quite often I'll talk to sellers and I'll review what their net sheet is, basically a sheet that we produce or a document that we produce that lays out the selling price versus all the expenses involved in selling and exactly what the number is that you'll be walking away with, at least from the gross sales scenario. And then what we always review with a seller is whether or not they're going to be exposed to capital gains or not. And it goes like this. The conversation or dialogue generally goes like this. At the closing, any seller is going to be asked if they have lived in the home as their primary residence to any of the 2 years out of the last 5 years. So what that means is that you could have lived in the home in year 1 and then rented it for 2 years and then lived in the home in year 4, and you would still be okay because you lived in the home 2 out of the last 5 years. And that's basically the first set of criteria as to whether or not you owe any capital gains. So the question is this: have you lived in the home 2 out of the last 5 years as your primary residence? So if you say yes, that is the case, then indeed you are exempt from capital gains up to $250,000 as a single person and $500,000 as a married couple. Now, that being said, a lot of us have built our legacy wealth on the fact that we've we've capitalized on this opportunity, because technically that means that you can sell a home every 2 years and as a married couple make $500,000 without having any exposure to capital gain if it was your primary residence. And what that means is that you could sell a home after 2 years, you can buy another home, sell that again after 2 years, buy another home, sell that again after 2 years, and you get to keep all that game without any exposure. And to be quite frank, that's exactly what I've experienced in my life cycle up to this point, where I've moved into homes and improved them, and some homes I've built them, and then I've moved on to the next asset. And in our country, a lot of the wealth of this country has been built on exactly that aspect of our tax code. So I hope this helped in the understanding of whether or not you are subject to capital gains. Once again, if you're looking for any other information, you could always visit us on our website at www.thebillheenanteam.net, or subscribe to that big fat subscribe button on the lower right hand corner of your screen, and you'll be notified of any future topic updates. So have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you next time.